In this open field, several traps are set because many birds come here in search of food. They eat and then leave. Meanwhile, the hunter sets traps here, and today several birds come after the traps are set. The birds are eating, and later, if you understand what happens, let me know in the comments. You'll be surprised to know what happened. Before I show you what happens, try liking and subscribing without taking a breath. I bet you won't be able to do it. Since the traps are set for catching birds, one bird gets caught in the trap, while the other escapes.